Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making rice with chicken, arroz con pollo. This recipe comes out very good. I hope you guys try it. To start, we're going to use, or I'm going to use 10 chicken strips. We're going to cut them up in chunks and we're going to wash them real well, and that's going to be the first step. So this is what it should like after we cut them up in chunks and we clean it well or wash it well. We're gonna do a simple seasoning on it. We don't want to over season it only because our rice is gonna have its own seasoning in it. So we're just gonna use adobo, just a little bit of it, salt, pepper, and a little bit of cilantro. So for this recipe, you guys are gonna need an aluminum pot, or you can use a Dutch oven, whatever your preference is. I like my pot. It's been with me for over 20 years. And I do want to say, just in case, before anybody starts saying anything, those black spots, it's not dirty. It's just the age of the pot. Believe me, it's not dirty. It's very clean. So we're gonna set the heat on high, and we're gonna add a little bit of oil on there, not too much. That should be enough. And that's where we're gonna stir fry our chicken chunks. Okay, so while our pot is heating up with the oil, we're gonna get half an onion and we're gonna chop it up in little pieces or dice it, and that's gonna be going with our chicken so we can stir fry it together. So once our oil is hot, we're gonna go ahead and add the chicken in there, and we're gonna add our onion. And we're going to go ahead and stir it all together until the meat loses its pinkish color. We'll be back. So once our meat is at this stage, this is where we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. 1 garlic clove, crushed. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of sofrito, or to taste. We're gonna add pepper to taste. We're gonna add salt to taste. Later on, we're gonna add a little bit more salt. And we're also gonna need a whole packet of Sazon con color. And 2 tablespoons of caldo de pollo. We're going to mix it all together. Oh, that looks so beautiful. It smells so good too. So continue to mix it and kind of like stir fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, so we got to the measuring part here. So this is my rice. I already measured it. I use an empty can of beans. You can use anything. This is what I use. You can use a coffee mug, a regular glass, a cup, whatever you want to use. The trick is it's going to be 2 parts of rice and 2.5 parts of water with the same cup or application that you used to measure your rice. Okay, so I washed my rice, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my rice, and we'll be right back. So I went ahead and added the 2.5 parts of water. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and taste it and see if you like it. You want to leave it the way it is, or if you wanted to add more salt or pepper. So this is the time to do it. After you do that, we're gonna let it boil. So we're gonna sit it on high. Once it boils, we're gonna let that boil go for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna add the rice. So it's been boiling for about 2 or 3 minutes. It's been on a good steady boil. So I'm gonna go ahead at this point and add the rice. I use medium grain, and it's already been washed. We're gonna go ahead and stir that. You're gonna let it sit on a medium heat. We're gonna let that rice absorb all that liquid, and we're just gonna let it sit there until that happens. So we'll be right back. Okay, so once our rice looks like this, it is ready to be mixed. So tiene que moverlo. So we're gonna mix it well from the bottom up. Get all that seasoning, everything mixed very, very well. Then we're gonna turn our heat to medium low. We're gonna cover it and we're gonna let it sit there for 30 minutes. Do not uncover. We're gonna let it sit covered for 30 minutes. All right, so now it's time to uncover. And there we are, beautiful. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to mix it again. From the bottom up, you're gonna mix it well. We're gonna cover it again for another 15 minutes, and then your rice should be ready to eat. So this is what it looks like after 15 minutes, and the rice is ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Hope you guys give it a try. Let me know how it came out for you guys in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time. Thank you all. Espero que les haya gustado esta receta. Nos deja saber cómo les salió esta receta en el área de comentarios. No se olviden de suscribirse al canal y de darle like y compartirlo. Hasta la próxima. Chao.